yeah, dear. Any woman will want to walk away from. And what did she say? She said, oh, I am a very wonderful woman, but wouldn't even that or best sorry. Kennedy cannot say the same thing about himself.
For hi GhanaNsem TV GH. Make sure like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Hey, Papa, Honorable Kennedy Japan. The campaigns. You say there, you see, Asim dumping Elon Musk. You say the assistant. You say a humble Asim dumping. You say Elon Musk no can be. In Kofa delegates, they are asking, say, Honorable Kennedy over this week on the campaign platform or say delegates should not look at the people who are giving them money to go and choose a bad leader. But on try on no Asim dumping Elon Musk. Esan say on our best ideas. Now ideas need any day any say Ministry of Food and Agriculture no or say some ministry no obey free Accra Northern region. Any ideas no problem about that. Says I now see the say idea yes sir. Now moving away from that. Hey, now this MPP delegates to me a bad pal. Yes, sister bi our US a friend Rita D. Or the video bi aba. Na video nemo no Honorable Ken ni interview bi a in the past. Na interview nemo no o kan sem bi a hey Radin boy. Listening to what the things that Honorable Ken was saying no. Say MPP for call elect sa Honorable Ken we flag bearer video sa ko for be yipie no nya easy. Na video nemo no Honorable Ken say ono odo ni yire pa ni yire ase so ni yire be mienu na sa miensan bi o yire be mienu ni miensan bi nti o say odo mu pa but asem ni say even though so odo mu no ono on trust you mo say any day at all no o make me sorry na hu boni bia be raw mu no say o mu pa awale no bi me nti o pa divorce enti because on who say sa adwinboni betimi aba o mo trimu a o be pa divorce enti our properties bi wo ho a baku over 40 properties o say adan ho be 40 ni yire enim hu hwi o say an insurance policy no kire say enye say wakoto insurance o but on properties a ni din wo so a ni yire mu ni side chicks mu omunim hu hwi so that or say divorce be ba sa properties no enka japadia ese omunchemu and then the MPP delegates say na nipa o say obeye your first lady one kasa no trust nipa no to the extent say wa u japadia kra no udi sie sa nipa na I can say that person is not even worthy to be a first lady in the first place. Now once you are bema your house, you don't have control over your house because the same interview or see one day on him say unfortunate event no happen now or what sa japadia or this year no edin tokwabeba the family busham among these children and their concubines and the side chicks and the wives on our care na nekai. And if you have not been able to exert control mastery over your own house we are there by a flag bearer. We are there by a president. That is what a lot of delegates are asking. Now, I believe, sir, these questions are genuine questions. As I say, even Honorable Ken, so a Christian, Uko Bible, I think the book of 1 Timothy, chapter 2, I see, anyone who wants to be a bishop or a leader, that person must have control over his own house. And to say who needs to have control over your own house, then there is no way you can lead a whole nation. There is no way you can lead a whole political party. And that is the argument of most of the delegates who are following Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. I leave this argument to you to decide. Do you think delegates who are saying this are right or they are wrong? Honorable Ken followers, what do you think? Beyond all these things these revelations that are coming up, do you still trust the future of MPP, the future of Ghana is safer with Honorable Ken? Let us know in the comment section. As usual, we read every comment and we reply to every comment. See you in the next one. The video is up next.
Hey, yeah, dear. Any woman will want to walk away from. And what did she say? She said, oh, I am a very wonderful woman, but wouldn't even that or best sorry. Kennedy cannot say the same thing about himself. There is nothing wonderful about him as a husband, apart from Sikana Wanya. What do you say? Because of money, he has everything. Ain't no one now who say the wife is wonderful, but he cannot even say that about himself. Ain't no or protecting a home. A man acting in one could prepare 40 properties are what they are protecting your home. Send they are. Was very no because a divorce next kitchen Yamakura still it won't have any influence in him. And to me bringing it down. It will never stop him from having as many baby mamas and women as he can. Inteno Montier.
Some divorce, I should have some properties pushing me. You're telling me? No, she knows, but I won't show her. None of them knows all the property. That's my weapon.
That's my weapon. One worry, Bema was sending a weapon against you. And on a presidential figure.
So I keep some, then I'm registering them in their names, you know.
How many have you kept?
Oh, I have more than 40 that I've kept.
Really?
Yeah, but from, if I'm alive from 70, I will just start giving them up again.
You've shared your properties amongst your children already?
Yeah, they have it in their names.
Okay.
And I have some also to protect myself. Now, when I die, then they fight. Yeah, because you never know. She's a wonderful woman here. You never know when it will trigger as a divorce. And some divorce, I should have some properties pushing me. You know.
But now she knows because you're telling me.
No, she knows, but I won't show her. None of them knows all the property. That's my weapon.
Wait, hey, Nipa. Women are following, sharing his adulterous way of life. I'm telling you and I that because of that, she's very responsible. We should vote him as president. Hey, Ghana. Hey. Asɛm a wonte wo Ghana na kyerɛ sɛ no wonte wo baby. What Ghana women cannot support does not exist. What Ghana woman cannot support, it does not exist. We want him to. We want her to go and find out from what? Kennedy Japan. You want a Kanda video? You should go and find out from Kennedy Japan wife. Okay? How is she feeling about this interview? So your husband have set a weapon fashioned against you when he died. Do you even know that? Kennedy has set his family apart for distraction. After he's dead and gone. He knows. That's the video she has done. The interview he's done. For distraction when he's gone. Do you know that? Wait. And the women are following him. Projecting him to be president. To come and lead people. What lifestyle about Kennedy Agyapong and Muamudi Nechire and Mana Amudi Nechire wish that your what? Your daughter should go through. The fathers all of you can wish upon your daughter is the money aspect of him. But which of you dream that your daughter should go and get married to this kind of rich man? Huh? Even if you dream like that, it's temporal. You are telling your daughter that just go and get the money. Like the same way he knows that he has no character that someone can stay in marriage with. And because of that, he has decided to set properties to protect himself. But this is the person that will come out to the public and try to repackage himself and tell you and I that he doesn't money doesn't influence him. Such a money-mongering bastard. When you see a man that money doesn't influence, don't you know? Huh? Where was catching Donald Trump? Huh? Wait, I was catching Elon Musk. Huh? Wait, I was catching Bill Gates. Those are the people that you can say money does no influence. Yes. Money does not. This weak killing of Pasolo. Pasolo.
Answer no. Say owo abrochiri anase owo Ghana ha. Na oye program bi ete say engagement, wedding anase funeral. Na ope obi a obeba betwa video no ede ama anase oba betwa pictures na me kire quality videos anase quality pictures a enfo wani enchirem ewo ba bia say cam hacks na mano ena eda screen ne so no na djuma ho etwa yie papa Ghana ha ba bia wo bia ofre na obeba abetwa wo program no ede ama anase empo wo amano ne ena wo hweye ena wo beye program ena wo atoto ania uhu obia obetwa wo program no ede ama wa contact na mana eda screen ne so no obetwa wadjuma no yopo ede ama say quality videos na quality pictures party emfa wani enchirem ewo ba bia anase empo ope bibi te say camera light anase drone ede etwa programmer eno so o contact na obeba ababeya ma fe.
What was the motivation of King Solomon to have that number of wives and concubines? Is it no money? It wasn't not riches. But he comes out and tries to repackage himself, trying to say, oh, on Fasika Nyashi, who Fasika Nyashi? Who can I Japan Fasika Nyashi? If you didn't have money to be able to satisfy the wife financially and give to baby mamas, and no can Japan or 22. Such a selfish rich person now, bet now until our repackaging and whatever catcher will say on Fasika. Do you know on Fasika Nyashi? Nipa or Mon Fasika Nyashi, could be said Donald Trump or one collasing. Huh? A whole China, one of the top most economy, have seen that giving birth a lot is problematic. They are motivating people to cut down the way they give birth. Somebody that money is control will come out to tell you say one first can yashi. Na enya siganti na washishin kwala to say community dog. And he clearly knows how his family will end up. It will be a showdown. Oh, who know what? You will hear about the baby mamas and his wife. What is happening? The chaos he will be watching in the land of the dead. What in Anuaka? Now, I'm sorry. And Kennedy is very simple man. She is very simple. This. Who simple rich man? Who name answer? Here, bachelor, yes. Huh? Na danko wa nkoji we emba be educate. And you now in our life so catch any person. You coach people on our ear. What is it Kennedy Japan I put in a television? Where see your whole video? The time you were doing video asking for Samira's marital secret. Na video in so wo. Nti what is it Kennedy Japan put in a television say? Wa 240 property di abone ho e de twen say wo wu a na ne maako ho na don ko wentimi anko hwehwe we emfa be educate won crofo. You didn't go to pick this one up. Na nka ewe na e wo say wo be kwa akofa. What?
You've shared your properties amongst your children already?
Yeah, they have it in their names.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I have some also to protect myself.
Na don ko ne nka wo say wo ko hwehwe ne yere na wa bisa no say na e dia de pa na e wo baby mama and an adulterous husband mu a now who could no be catch was say or property say but was always any protecting her. One could be second the Ayapoya. Haja Samira home and our pet here. We are not hypocrites. This is the lessons you should be teaching children. A year dank or give protection money why then?
When I die, then they fight.
Then they fight.
Yeah.
Na another uncle went to me uncle be second at the Japan yet. A dear pan, a wokuna, well for which they ya won't call to say community dog. A dear pan, a woman tell who couldn't see. What the property be at one country now I catch it a man, but oh, what no more one ma. A caught no only baby mammas are cooking one another uncle, one for video ye and for pesa information. Haja Samira. A loose husband like Kennedy a Japan or be bien and no see Asɛm or canning one seman a worry a beku and no name here. Ain't a year did you what terminal?
Because you never know. She's a wonderful woman here. You never know when it will trigger as a divorce.
She's a wonderful woman. Why? Because he's staying. Eh? The woman has chosen to stay, even though she has turned into a community property. Why won't she be wonderful? You see the reward for what? Wonderful women in somebody's life like Kennedy Japan. To call you a wonderful means you are tolerating his what? His loose attitude, his loose adulterous way of life. And no na man na wonderful. Banana dan ko wodin nya chemo. A man like Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia that is not only opening mouth to say the wife is wonderful, but is behaving responsibly and respectfully to tell us whether she even open mouth or not that indeed Haja Samira a wonderful woman. And no and a was so weni ediasiso. Ye did you atema now